Now I'm going to making video about the understanding the impact of technology. Move on to the topic outline. We have three questions about that. Firstly, a brief outline of the research that the article is discussing, and secondly, why do you think it is interesting? Um, three Thus, a short critical evaluation of the idea approach. Firstly, we talk about the summary of the research and the ethical discussing. There, we have five titles discussing. They are introduce, review of literature, and three is method. Fourth is the technology impact of Galileo on film business model, and five is a conclusion. Let's move on the introduction. Firstly, the introductory heading summarizes the main content of the study and its objective. The study focuses on the impact of new Galileo technology on the business model of Danish companies. And, and secondly, a review of the literature, and the main content of this paragraph is about how the company conduct an analysis of the potential impact of new technology, as well as why they often fail to make fundamental change in this business model in the face of new technology. And some method of technology analysis include scenario Skinnery analysis and Petro analysis and Delphi analysis and technology drawing math, and thirdly is the methods. Um, this paraphrase is this paraphrase method is divided into four small headings. There are case study using a theoretical framework, and secondly is the consum consortium and the case company, and three is data collection and analysis, and fourth in the main finding. Uh, Overall is four small headings that talk about the quality case study methods. Um, the main objective of this research is to contact company and based on a theoretical framework and understand or determine how Galileo technology will affect this business model. And let's move on the technology impact of Galileo on the film business model. Discusses the application of the theoretical framework to assess the future impact of gallery technology on company business model, changing business model into three chaos. Is the extension of film business model. Secondly, is the creation it creating the new business model, and finally, the importance of the business model perspective in foreseeing technology impact. Galileo's te- technology platform has the potential to create a new business model leading to more collaboration and involve innovation and emphasize the importance of considering a business model perspective to assess the impact of technology to devise strategy and move on the conclusion. And this is the key finding that company will use the technology to expand their existing business model, and technology platform are likely to rep- represent the creation of a new business model for partner company within the group. Now, there is a reason why I think the understand the impact of technology interacting for me according to statistical data from the beginning of the 20th 21st century until now. The technology industry is evolving at an important rate, and it impact on business in profile, and it affect the business model of business and my future work. I also more and less relate my company. Therefore, I want to know more knowledge to understand the impact of technology on company business tomorrow to minimize competitiveness in the industry, make informed decisive decision, and reduce the risk that technology bring. And now we talk about the short and critical evaluation of the idea approach. In general, the authors use a theoretical framework to analyze the future impact of new technology on the company business model, and they are correcting in shifting the focus on determine it internal environment factor to business model internal, and the story like a detailed process to accurately assess how innovation affect different elements of the business model. Now I will end the presentation making video.